of power is about to happen. The NBC 10i team first learning that House Speaker Joe Shekarchi plans to resign as he pursues a seat on the Rhode Island Supreme Court. It comes at a tough time. 6 weeks left in the session as things pick up with the proposed laws. This as the real estate attorney now wants to become a Supreme Court judge in Rhode Island. The night team's Leanna Falk is live just across Studio B here with speaking with some of the lawmakers about this tonight. Leanna?
Yeah, Dan, the House Speaker's chair is about to open up and a new era could soon begin on Smith Hill as Rhode Island lawmakers prepare for a major leadership transition. After years as one of the most powerful men in Rhode Island politics, Speaker Joe Shekarchi is preparing to trade the House floor for the courtroom. The NBC 10i team first learned Wednesday the former real estate attorney turned speaker plans to step down as he applies for a vacancy on the Rhode Island Supreme Court.
This move to the Rhode Island Supreme Court, is that normal for someone with Shekarchi's background and experience?
Depends on how we define normal. We've got some different revolving door laws here that have come into play. So I think the precedent is generally that it might be permitted, but people might still have some concerns about what's going on, even if they like him generally too.
And before the dust could even settle, Majority Leader Chris Blazejewski announced he already has the support needed to replace him.
He was a good speaker to me, a good friend, a good mentor, a good leader. We did some really great work together.
Democrats we spoke with described the transition as smooth and potentially more progressive.
I'm very confident that at least for this year, we will finish our businesses.
Political analysts say while the State House likely won't see a political earthquake overnight, new leadership could still shape which bills move forward.
So I wouldn't expect a radicalized thing happening in the State House here, but certainly potential for some changes if you got some different views there.
Not everyone is celebrating just yet. In a statement to NBC 10, House Minority Leader Mike Chippendale warning Rhode Islanders deserve a General Assembly that stays focused, organized, and fully engaged with major issues still left unresolved this session. And even some Democrats admit timing is everything.
We've got 6 weeks left, and it is, pedal to the metal for us right now. And, this is hopefully going to be a smooth transition.
I wouldn't classify it as business as usual in every sense, but I would expect that he had already kind of planned for those things and planned out the calendar in that way.
Shekarchi has been Speaker of the House since 2021, and right now he's sitting on a massive campaign war chest of more than $4 million. We're working to find out what's happening with those funds going forward. Live in studio, Leanna Falk, NBC 10 News, 19.